Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some vintage style farmhouse decoration ideas. Let's take a look. Vintage farmhouse decor combines rustic charm with nostalgic elements, creating a cozy, timeless aesthetic. Here are some expert tips for achieving a vintage farmhouse style in your home. Mix old and new. Use authentic vintage pieces like distressed furniture, antique decor, and repurposed items. Balance them with modern conveniences to keep your space functional and fresh. Stick to a neutral color palette. Soft whites, creams, beiges, and muted grays create a warm and inviting farmhouse look. Use subtle pops of color like chess green, dusty blue, or mustard yellow for accents. Use natural materials. Incorporate wood, linen, cotton, velvet, and stone for an organic feel. Choose reclaimed wood furniture or vintage-inspired pieces to enhance authenticity. Add distressed and weathered finishes. Look for furniture and decor with a naturally aged or distressed look. Display vintage farmhouse accessories, mason chairs, anvil ware, and cast iron cookware work well in a farmhouse kitchen. Hang antique kitchen tools, baskets, or wooden cutting boards for a rustic touch. Embrace open and cozy spaces. Keep your space airy and inviting with open shelving, large wooden tables, and comfortable seating. Soft lighting, lanterns, sconces, and vintage candeliers creates a warm ambience. Use farmhouse-style textiles. Choose gingham, ticking straps, ruffles, or floral prints for pillows, curtains, and table runners. Add cozy, chunky knit rugs and vintage-style rugs for warmth. Incorporate farmhouse-inspired wall decor. Hang palm doors, sheep lamp, or bedboard for an authentic touch. Use vintage signs, chalkboards, and botanical prints to enhance the farmhouse feel. Bring in greenery and florals. Display fresh or dried flowers like lavender, cotton stems, or eucalyptus in vintage pictures or messengers. Repurpose and upcycle old items. Turn old wooden doors into headboards or tables. Use window ladders as blanket racks or shelving units. Repurpose mason chairs into vases, candle holders, or soap dispensers. Choose farmhouse-inspired lighting. Opt for lantern-style pendant lights, rustic candelights, or industrial sconces. Addition bulbs and candle-style fixtures enhance the vintage feel. Use open and functional storage. Incorporate oil baskets, wooden crates, and floating shelves for stylish yet practical storage. Display everyday items like dishes, cookbooks, and utensils to create a lived-in feel. Add architectural elements, custom chimney walls, bedboard paneling, or exposed wooden beams for a rustic farmhouse look. Use barn doors instead of traditional doors to enhance charm. Keep it cozy and layered. Layer different textures like linen, burlap, and wool to add warmth. Stack vintage books, place the open basket with drawers, and make soft pillows for an inviting look. Display vintage kitchenware and accessories, hang copper pots, wooden cutting boards, and antique baking tools on the walls. Use vintage-inspired canisters and animalware to store kitchen essentials. Create a farmhouse coffee station. Set up a coffee nook with a distressed wooden tray and mugs and a chalkboard sign. Use open shelving to store coffee beans, sugar jars, and a vintage coffee grinder. Incorporate handmade and personal touches, like wooden farmhouse signs with hand-painted codes. Use family heirlooms, old photographs, and hand quilts for a personal vintage touch. Go for vintage-inspired bathroom decor. Install a clawfoot bathtub or a distressed wood vanity. Use apothecary jars for storage and vintage-style mirrors for character. Keep the farmhouse feel natural and uncluttered. Avoid over-decorating. Simplicity is key to farmhouse style. natural light flow in and keep spaces feeling fresh and airy. Use vintage-inspired wallpaper, choose floral patterns, tall or classic farmhouse prints. Stick to subtle muted tones to keep it timeless. Mix metals for an authentic look. Combine black oak pattern, edged brush, or galvanized steel for a lifting feel. Try metal bedrooms, cabinet handles, and light fixtures in mixed finishes. Add a rustic entryway. Use a vintage console table, distressed mirror, or wooden beams. Add baskets for shoe storage and a farmhouse-style coat rack. Feature a farmhouse gallery wall. Display a mix of vintage signs and